Alright guys, what's up? We in the car, dropping the kids off at the school. Now, we is gonna go get some new batteries for the F-250. I bought the batteries about, I don't even think a year ago. And for the first like month, 2 months, you know, the batteries were great. And then all of a sudden, you know, it didn't turn over like it did when I first got it. And there's no battery draw or anything, so I mean there's nothing hooked up in my truck, nothing drawing current that's not supposed to be. But the last like 2 times that I've had to start my truck, I've had to put cables on it. The batteries, they just won't hold a charge. So I called O'Reilly, so that's where I got the batteries. He was like, yeah man, bring them back, get some new ones. I was like, hell yeah. So we're going to get some new ones. Trying to get everything in line because within the next, hopefully, guaranteed a month, but hopefully like 2 weeks, I'll have the rest of the metal and the metal actually put on the building with the tool room enclosed in. Dude, listen to this race truck. Oh, yeah, past that bitch. Oh, yeah. But hopefully within the next two weeks, guaranteed month, all the metal will be on the building and the building will be fully enclosed, and then it'll be just a matter of getting power. I'm telling you, once power's there and the building's there, we hacking the truck up. Once it's there, the truck's in the building on stands, we'll go right up, we'll go over the actual plan that I have. But after seeing this right here, that was all the drive and momentum that I needed, because that shit right there was absolutely sick. I was sitting in the car waiting for class, in between classes yesterday, because I got a class from 11 to 3, and then another one from 6 to 10. It was only on Mondays. And I was sitting there, I had the windows up, AC was pumping, radio was playing a little low, I was just chilling, and all of a sudden, I hear, I look up. I was like, oh my God, it's amazing. It's very, very beautiful. But yeah, that's it used to be an old logging truck. It's got a 12 valve Cummins in it, full air ride suspension, train horns. Like, I don't know, like that right there, just, it made me want to get to work. So that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna go run in here and get these batteries real quick, and then we'll get back to the house so we can get this thing fired up. Yeah, she is. All right, guys. So as soon as I pulled in the driveway, my phone wanted to update for the 47th time in a week. I hate updates, but both batteries are in. One new battery there, one new battery there. Let's see if this big bitch will start. What a shit in the seat. What is this? Some football pads. Let's see, we got battery. Wait for our light to go off. Woo! Oh, wait! Let's get this bitch out of the driveway. Come on, window. Window, slow as hell over there. Oh, let's see if I remember how to drive this thing. Hold on. Yeah, bad one. Alright. Kids, I was touching my shit. You in a tight spot, boys. Oh shit! We made it out. We out there. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, you hear old girl chugging on him. Here, Roscoe. Oh, look at the grass, look at the grass. Oh, that's my hand. Struggle, struggle, struggle. They're bagging up in the yard. Oh, ugh. We're gonna go down there. Woo. Woo. She ain't ready in a while, boys. Ooh. Big ass turn right here. Let's see, we'll make this big ass turn right here. Oh, we're gonna rub. Oh, we made it. Slow down. Look at it smoking. What the hell's on fire back there? Oh, 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 creeping, creeping. Huh. I'm gonna have to drag the boxway through this damn driveway that I made. I'm gonna go pull it up on the slab. Second gear. We got second gear. Oh, I just ran something over. Okay. Oh, damn. All this shit's in the way. Gotta move it on. Damn, my fat ass ain't even gonna fit through there. Son of a bitch. I was gonna take it and pull it up on the slab, but I ain't gonna fit through there. I got all the extra pokes. So we just gonna back on up. Back it on up. Back it on up. Back it on up. Back it on up. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, today when I come home, Today when I come home, I gotta go to Lowe's. Gotta get some stuffs. And then we'll move that trailer, take the metal off of it. I'm gonna pull it out the way. I gotta get two tires for that thing. And then we're gonna put the truck on the slab just because. Woo! Got all the hoops up. All the hoops are around. Got some wood over here. My the walls that I built to lift up the building itself. And then I have my tool room over here. It's all framed in. I just need to get some more 2x4 runners to build my runner beam thing, joist shit bang jang whams here. And then be time to put metal coming off the edge over that way. I've got about, I think, 10 more pieces of metal over there on the trailer. That'll be enough to get it up over here, over the curve of the building. And then I'll have to go get some more to come the rest of the way around. The room itself here is going to be sheathed on the outside with the shit that you put on it. I don't know what it's called, I just use it. And then it'll have the metal roof. The roof is going to come off of right there and angle down to there. So that'll give me all the headroom that I need in there. And then I'll cap the ends, put a garage door on that side, regular door on this side. Power will be ran from over yonder where the pole is, probably to about the corner of the garden here, and then down into the building. Then I'll be wiring everything up, running all my power where I need it, and then it'll be time to go to work. Cutting and welding, cutting and welding. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. You want to say anything, leave a comment. But